Welcome back to Luxury Motorhome, and prepare yourselves, because today we are unveiling the absolute pinnacle of terrestrial travel, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a machine that redefines the very concept of a home on wheels. From the moment you lay eyes on it, this isn't a bus, it's not an RV, it is a vision of the future, a self-propelled luxury yacht gliding on the highway. Its exterior is a symphony of sleek, sculpted lines and futuristic aerodynamics, designed not just to move through the air but to command it. The bodywork flows like molten silver, resembling a masterpiece of modern architecture. The two-tone metallic paint is applied with an almost impossible depth, perhaps a rich champagne gold, contrasting with a deep, mirror-finish black, catching the light in a way that signals pure, unadulterated opulence. As daylight fades, the advanced LED lighting system awakens. The razor-sharp DRLs carve a confident path, while soft ambient light accents the motorhome's contours, giving it a ghost-like, powerful presence at night. The taillights wrap seamlessly around the rear, creating a visual signature that is instantly recognizable and entirely unique. The rear itself is a study in purposeful elegance, featuring a subtly integrated spoiler that balances the machine's performance with its sheer aesthetic beauty, culminating in a smooth, uninterrupted surface. And the wheels. They are massive, futuristic marvels with aerodynamic hub covers that not only add stability, but look like they belong on a spacecraft. To approach this motorhome is an experience in itself, with the automated entry system recognizing your presence. Hidden retractable steps glide out from the bodywork, beckoning you inside, secured by a sophisticated digital keypad. Stepping across the threshold, you leave the world behind and enter a realm of unprecedented luxury. The interior is an open-concept masterpiece, a fluid, seamless transition between the living, kitchen, and sleeping quarters, all bathed in natural light, streaming through the expansive, full-length panoramic glass roof. It's like traveling in a glass-domed observatory. Imagine waking up to the dawn over a mountain range or dining under a ceiling of stars. The materials are an homage to the finest craftsmanship. Genuine, buttery soft Napa leather cloaks every surface, meeting meticulously polished fine wood veneers and cool brushed aluminum accents. The ambient lighting system is a work of art, allowing you to fine-tune the interior atmosphere with customizable, soft colors that can enhance any mood, from a vibrant morning to a tranquil evening. The seating area introduces a new level of relaxation. The 360-degree rotating recliner seats. These aren't just chairs, they are transformation pods that can pivot to face the enormous OLED smart TV, part of a high-end entertainment system boasting a Bose or Harman Kardon surround sound setup that fills the cabin with concert hall quality audio. At the push of a button, they glide into full-length loungers or comfortable auxiliary beds. Privacy is handled with equal sophistication. The smart glass windows offer instant control over light and visibility, adjusting their opacity from completely clear to fully frosted at a simple touch, while advanced acoustic technology ensures the cabin remains a whisper-quiet sanctuary, a bubble of tranquility even at highway speeds. The kitchen and dining area are engineered for the sophisticated traveler who refuses to compromise on culinary pleasure. A sleek, smart induction stove is the centerpiece, offering energy-efficient, touch-controlled precision for gourmet cooking. It's paired with a space-optimized, yet highly luxurious compact dishwasher and fridge. Clutter is non-existent, thanks to cleverly hidden storage compartments and expandable counters that maximize function when needed and disappear when not. And for the ultimate convenience, the entire area is managed by voice-activated controls, allowing you to manage lighting, temperature, and appliances completely hands-free. This is a kitchen that inspires, not complicates. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom is a haven of repose. It features a king-size bed, topped with a sumptuous memory foam mattress, its contours highlighted by soft, integrated mood lighting. Directly above the bed, the panoramic stargazing ceiling, an extension of the smart glass roof, provides an unparalleled connection to the night sky, creating a sense of serene, nighttime magic. The bathroom rivals any five-star hotel spa. A rainfall shower provides therapeutic water flow, paired with a stunning marble sink and an auto-temperature adjustment system for instant comfort. The smart mirror and touch panel controls offer not just reflection, but infotainment and full environmental settings right at your fingertips. Every element is designed to pamper and restore. The engineering prowess beneath this luxury shell is truly staggering. Powering this immense machine is a hybrid electric drivetrain, a masterful combination of a powerful turbo V8 engine paired with silent, responsive electric motors, collectively generating over 700 horsepower. This ensures that the motorhome doesn't just travel, it performs. Handling is sublime, thanks to the adaptive air suspension, which constantly monitors and adjusts the ride height and damping automatically, ensuring a smooth, cushioned ride. Whether you're cruising on a pristine highway or navigating rugged mountain terrain, the advanced all-wheel drive system guarantees total confidence and control in any condition, making this a true cross-continental grand tourer. Crucially, even with all that power, advanced noise cancellation technology works tirelessly to maintain the tranquil, hushed cabin ambiance throughout every leg of the journey. Technology is not an afterthought. It is woven into the very fabric of the driving experience. The driver commands the vehicle from a fully customizable digital cockpit, a stunning display, offering immersive 3D navigation and all crucial information presented with crystal clarity. For longer drives, the autonomous driving assist takes the strain away, offering adaptive cruise control, precise lane keeping, and genuinely hands-free driving modes. Parking and maneuvering in tight spots are made effortless by the comprehensive 360-degree camera system, providing a bird's-eye view of your surroundings. And your companion on the road is the integrated AI travel assistant, a digital concierge that proactively plans optimal routes, locates the most convenient charging stations, and even recommends stunning scenic stops tailored to your preferences. The entire motorhome is essentially a smart home on wheels, with every function from lighting to climate control and entertainment, manageable via a simple app or voice command. For those who desire the absolute height of personalization, a suite of optional luxury add-ons awaits. Imagine sustainable off-grid power provided by sleek solar roof panels, or the indulgence of a built-in espresso machine or minibar, delivering a five-star hotel experience no matter how remote your location. For true outdoor living, a retractable outdoor deck or awning, complete with elegant seating, can glide out for sunset relaxation. Global connectivity is assured, with satellite, internet, and premium streaming services, keeping you connected wherever the adventure leads. And for the ultimate statement, custom interior themes or branded upholstery, designed in partnership with names like Bentley, Hermes, or even Rolls-Royce's own custom artisans, can make your motorhome truly one of one. This 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is not merely a vehicle, it is a declaration. It's a testament to the idea that true luxury is about boundless possibility. The freedom to travel anywhere without sacrificing a single comfort, an innovation, or a moment of beauty. It is a home built for those whose horizons are limited only by their imagination. This machine doesn't just transport you, it elevates your entire experience of the world. It's the ultimate expression of prestige and freedom, a silent, powerful, and utterly breathtaking companion for the grandest adventures. We have never seen anything like it. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable tour of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, the most luxurious double-decker RV ever conceived. Now, close your eyes and imagine the hushed cabin, the panoramic roof, and the road ahead, stretching out toward the horizon. Don't just dream of your next journey, demand a masterpiece to take you there. If this vision of luxury and innovation captured your imagination as much as it captured ours, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Luxury Motorhome, and ring that notification bell. We have so many more breathtaking innovations to share with you, and you won't want to miss a single one. Until next time, happy travels.